Google Data Studio is a free, web-based tool provided by Google that allows users to create interactive and customizable data visualizations and reports. It is part of the Google Marketing Platform and integrates seamlessly with various Google services such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, Google Sheets, and BigQuery, as well as many other third-party data sources. Here's a comprehensive overview of Google Data Studio. Key features. Data integration. One of the primary advantages of Google Data Studio is its ability to pull data from multiple sources. Users can connect to a variety of Google products as well as external data sources through partner connectors. This allows for the consolidation of disparate data sets into a single report. Customizable reports. Data Studio offers a high level of customization for reports. Users can choose from a range of visualization types, such as bar charts, pie charts, time series, geographical maps, and more. Each element within a report can be tailored to specific needs, including color schemes, fonts, and layout configurations. Interactivity. Reports in Data Studio are interactive. This means viewers can interact with the data through features like clickable filters, date range selectors, and dynamic controls. This interactivity helps in exploring the data in more depth and gaining insights that are not immediately apparent from static reports. Collaboration. Similar to other Google Workspace tools, Data Studio supports collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same report simultaneously, making it easy for teams to collaborate and share insights. Reports can also be easily shared with stakeholders through shareable links or embedded into websites. Real-time data. Data Studio provides real-time data updates. When the underlying data sources are updated, the changes are reflected in the reports instantly. This ensures that the reports always present the most current data available. Benefits. Ease of use. Google Data Studio is designed to be user-friendly, with a drag-and-drop interface that allows even those with limited technical skills to create complex reports and dashboards. Cost-effective. Being a free tool, it is an attractive option for businesses of all sizes looking to leverage data visualization without incurring additional costs. Enhanced decision-making. By transforming raw data into intuitive visualizations, Data Studio helps businesses make data-driven decisions more effectively. Efficiency. The ability to automate reporting and reduce the need for manual data manipulation saves time and reduces the potential for errors. Use cases. Marketing analysis. Marketers can use Data Studio to track campaign performance, website traffic, and conversion rates by integrating data from Google Analytics and Google Ads. Sales reporting. Sales teams can visualize sales data, track performance against targets, and analyze trends over time. Operational dashboards. Businesses can create operational dashboards to monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, in real time, helping to manage and optimize daily operations. Conclusion. Google Data Studio is a powerful and versatile tool that democratizes access to data visualization. Its ability to integrate multiple data sources, provide real-time updates, and facilitate collaboration makes it an essential tool for modern businesses. Whether for marketing, sales, or operational analysis, Data Studio helps turn data into actionable insights, driving informed decision-making and business growth.